Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this aggressive cow problem of GFG problem of the day. So let's move on to the problem guys. This is a very famous binary search problem. If you ever wanna to solve problem of binary search, this is the very first problem you will have to solve. So let's give a look. You are given an array of n integers which denote the position of a stall. Means there are some stall we are given, there are some n stall we are given. Now we have some integer k, which means number of aggressive cow we have. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to assign stall to k cow. Means these all stall that are given to us, we have to put out k cow inside them, so that the minimum distance between any two of them is maximum. Okay, means suppose there are many stalls, suppose there are many stall, and we put a cow here, suppose here, or suppose here. This is also a store. Now we have to find out the minimum distance. So we can see the minimum is here, suppose minimum is here. Okay, so the minimum distance among this is maximum. Why? What is maximum mean? We have many arrangement, like suppose we put cow here, then cow here, then cow here. Here the distance will be this and this. We have can have many more arrangements, suppose this. So in all the arrangement, the minimum distance will be different. Here this is the minimum, suppose here two more stroke, then here this is minimum, here this is minimum. So we have to find out in all the possible configuration, we have to find out the minimum distance, and that minimum should be maximum. Like we will gonna to choose this according to our configuration of cows. So guys, now how we will gonna to solve it? So this is, as I already told, very famous binary search problem. So what is the, we will gonna to find out what is the minimum, means left and right. What is left and right? Left means the minimum distance we can have between two cow, the minimum. R means the maximum distance we have. So what is the minimum? Suppose in a single stall we have to put two or more cow, then the minimum distance will become 0. So it will be became 0. Minimum distance can be up to 0. Now maximum distance always depend on the constant given to us. Now guys, here we can see our stall can be up to 0 to 10 raised to the power 9, and k should be at least 2. Now suppose for the best case k is equal to 2, and one stall at 0, other is at 10 raised to the power 9. We put one cow here, one cow here, so the distance between them is 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, this is the best case, means the minimum number of cow we have to assign and the maximum distance we can go. So the maximum distance any two cow we can go is 10 raised to the power 9. So we know our answer can be between 0, because the minimum can be 0 and the maximum can be 10 raised to the power 9. So what we will gonna to do, we will gonna to search now. We will take a mid, of L plus R divided by 2, L plus R divided by 2. Okay, then we will search if mid distance, mid distance between any two consecutive cow is possible if we try to assign these k cow into n different stalls. Okay, if it is possible, if I am saying yes, this particular minimum distance is possible, then what you will do, you will gonna to try for maximum, for other big value. You will take answer. If this is possible, answer will become m. What is m means? The m distance can be possible to assign between any two cows, so that it is the minimum among this particular configuration. Okay guys, answer is equal to n m, and we will gonna to try for some maximum, some more distance now. So it will become m plus 1, means we are gonna to try for maximum more distance. But if it is not possible, if m distance we cannot give to our k number of cows, it means if we are gonna to assigning m distance, then we cannot assign n stall into k cows. So what we need to do, we need to decrease the distance between cow, we need to decrease m minus 1. So this will our new constraint update according to can it possible or not. Okay guys, but now how we will gonna to check? So we will use two pointer method. We will, this is I is equal to 0, this is index 1, this is index j, sorry 2, this is 3. Suppose we have 4 number of stall from 0 to 3 indexing. I is equal to 0. I means the current stall in which we are. J means the previous stall we assign a cow. Previous stall we assign a cow. Initially we initialize it with -1. Why -1? Means in starting we have to assign, we does not assign cow to any stall, so it is -1, and we have k. So now we will check two condition. If our j is equal to -1, means we have to assign a cow, means I have to assign a cow. So I will assign a cow. It is always possible at, so we will gonna to assign a cow at 0th index. I will update my j from -1 to 0, means 0 is the last index in which I assign a cow, and because I assign a cow, so I will do k minus minus. I will decrease the k by 1, means one more cow I gonna to assign, so I will decrease the number of count of cow, that is k, to k minus minus. Okay, and here second condition, if j is not is equal to -1, then I will gonna to increase. Okay, suppose if I is equal to here, and suppose that distance between them is 4, suppose the 0th index, like suppose it is 0, it is 5. What is 0? It is 0 position, it is 5 fifth position. Distance between them is 5 minus 0, that is 4. Means in stall 0 and stall 1 I have distance of 5 units, and suppose m is equal to 6. Suppose for a minute m is equal to 6. Okay, so our j is here, so we will gonna to check j is equal to -1. No, it is not. Or we will gonna to check, is that distance between ith and jth stall is greater than or is equal to m. If it is, then I am gonna to assigning a cow. If it is not, then I will not assign a cow. Why? Like it is 6, distance between I and j is 5, means I cannot assign a cow here, because if I assign, then my minimum distance cannot be greater than or is equal to 6. So I will move my I to here. Suppose it is 9, so my I is this is nothing, I is this, j is this, so I will check the distance between 2 and 0 is 9, so it is greater than m. So I will assign a cow to here, means it will contain one more cow, one cow here, one cow here, and it will become my j now, means the previous cow I assigned is here. Okay, this is how I gonna to move forward with every single cow. I assign here, then assign here, and at last, okay, now suppose if I have k is equal to 2 only, I have to assign only 2 cows. One cow I assign here, then k minus minus will become 1. One cow I assign here, so k will become 0. Now, whether suppose we have some more stall left, so now either we gonna to check, I need to check, no, I don't need to. Why? Because I can see I don't have any cow to assign, means I have already assigned all the cows with minimum distance between them is 6. Okay, so I can just return true. Okay, so now let's see the code. First of all, I'm gonna sort it, because it is not given to me that the stalls are in sorting order or not. Why sorting? Because I want to know, so that distance will keep maintained. Like from 0 I will gonna to found every stall after 0. From 5 I will gonna to found each stall that have that is forward to 5. Okay, now L is equal to minimum distance can be 0 to 1 e की power 9. I will take answer variable. Now while my L greater than is equal to R, I will find min number, and if I will check if it is possible to assign n stall to k cows where stall distance is s with minimum distance between any two cows is m. If it is possible, I will check for more further distance, and answer will be m, means m distance I can assign, but I will go to check for more answer as well. Else if it is not possible, I will try for some smaller distance between them, that is r will become m minus 1. Now how I will go to check it. Initially I is equal to 0, j is equal to -1, till I less than n, means I have some stall left, and k is equal to k greater than 0, means I have some cow left. I will gonna to check. I will increase I and at each step, because I will go forward to next stall. Now if j is equal to -1, means this is the first one where I need to assign a cow, because it is always considerable to assign a cow to first slot. Okay, because there is no need to assign a cow. Like suppose if I assign a first cow here, then whether this distance is just a wastage for me. Okay, this is just a useless space, so I will gonna to assign a cow here, so that next space I can optimize further. Okay, I can use for that now. Or if my Si minus Sj greater than is equal to M, means the previous cow I assign is at gth stall and the current cow I am gonna to assign is at ith step. So and the distance between them is greater than or is equal to M. So it means it is the perfect spot where I can assign a cow. I will assign a cow to it, update my j, decrease the k, and at last I will return if my k less than is equal to 0. K less than is equal to 0 means if I can assign all the cow means k is equal to 0 I can say, but I just use less than sign as well. Means k is equal to 0 I should use. Means number of cows should be is equal to 0. Okay guys. So just try to submit it. So guys, you can see all the 121 test cases pass out. I hope you all understand the solution. If not, then first of all try run and you can just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and check out my channel for more these type of videos. I consistently upload daily problem of that solution now regularly because last week I have my exams, so I was not able to upload the videos, but now it is uh, continue again. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, and thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.